Here's a new trade. It's 2013 4-Winds H200. It's the exterior walk around. This boat is powered by a Volvo Penta. There's a single axle trailer, bimini top. Nice little back deck here, in and out of the water. This trailer is also equipped with a swing tongue. And that's the exterior walk around. Here's the interior walk around in this 2013 4-Winds Horizon 200. This boat is powered by a Volvo Penta V6, 225 horse. Dual batteries, battery switch down there as well. Lots of storage everywhere. Nice little removable pad for a walk-in. Seat bolsters. Center storage. Good ample room for multiple people. Bimini top. And that concludes the interior walkthrough of this boat.